Yes guys, this is one more wifey drink.
Turn on your cup, let me see what it mark.
Daddy.
It should have big daddy, but it has daddy on it. It's okay.
No surprise. One more great drink. Yeah man.
Very refreshing, right? Hey guys, what's up, Wagwan? What's going on? Today I am going to make some Guinep juice. And you know we have Guinep season. Now is Guinep season, so you know I'm always making use of my fruits when they are in season. So yeah man, I have some lovely Guinep here. I don't know what they call it in your country. You could go ahead and tell me what they call these in your country. But donga jam donga, it is known as Guinep. Alrighty, I'm going to use some lime. Not all of that lime. Probably one or probably two. And I'm going to use a little piece of ginger as well. And some sugar. So the only thing I don't have here, the only ingredient that I don't have here is my sugar. So make we get down into thing now. Guinep juice. Yeah man. Nice and refreshing, you see. Alright, so what me I gonna do here now? I'm gonna wash off these Guinep. Reason being, I bought them at the market. Oh, I wanted to show you what $100 tie of Guinep look like, you know. Something like this. Or probably less. So yeah man, I'm going to wash them off because I'm going to have to hold them to burst them and then to, you know, so first thing first, I'm going to wash them really good. Yeah man, so I'm going to use some water and wash up them here really good. Yeah. So now that my Guinep is nice and clean, guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and pick them. Yeah, just shell them out. The Guinep are so big and sweet. This is what the flesh of the Guinep look like. As soon as you strip it off, that's what it look like. Wait. So we are down to our last 4 Guineps. Yup. So that's it guys. So yeah, I'm going to use my water now. But what I want to show you guys, when you're, here's a few things to take note of when you are making your Guinep juice and you're shelling your Guinep or picking your Guinep. Look for rotten Guinep. Yeah, that's what we call it in Jamaica here. Once a Guinep is like this, we say rotten. And I have a few more to show you too. Make sure you don't use these to make your juice, alright? You don't want your juice to spoil because Guinep juice is very healthy and it's very refreshing. This is the next one. So once you see it look like this is considered rotten Guineps. Yeah? Alrighty, so we're going to get in water now. I'm going to just wash up my ginger now. Deal with it. And you have to wash your ginger really good. Always have dirt. Yeah, that is a good ginger. Ginger always contains dirt on it. Because it grow down a yard in a dirt. So you have to wash that good, you know. Look at the water already. Look at the water. This not start yet, you know guys. And look at the water. Take a look. I'm gonna have to throw this water away and get some fresh one. So yeah man, and that way I do it right about now. Now that our ginger is nice and clean now guys, we're going over to our Guinep pan with them. So, alright. This is it. Really clean. Alrighty, so come along. Alright now guys, so I'm just going to toss them in on the guinea. And you're going to see what I do later. So I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add some really hot boiling water. Yeah, water must be really hot to the guinea. Yeah, and we're gonna just cover that with some foil. We're going to lock in the heat so that the heat melt the flesh of the seed of the guinea. So that's what we are aiming for. So I'm gonna just use a foil to just wrap really good to lock that heat in. We don't want none of that heat to get out. Alrighty, I'm gonna also put a cover on top just like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna leave that. Alright, so now that our fruit has been cool, I'm just going to remove. Alright, so first thing first, I'm going to take out the ginger and I'm gonna toss it in right into my blender. I don't need to cut it up. If your blender cannot manage it that big, please go ahead and cut it small. Cut it in small pieces. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to use my bare hand to remove the flesh off the guinea seed. Just like how you would do with a soursop. So I'm just going to squash it together to remove. Right, see the flesh is coming off. You can go ahead and wear gloves, guys. I am doing this for my household, for my family and I. And my hands are fairly clean. Alright guys, as I mentioned before, same procedure like when you're juicing a soursop. You use your hands and you rub it together to remove the flesh of the seed. You're not gonna remove all the flesh, you know. But you know, you remove most of what you can remove. And I'm gonna show you the seed when I remove the flesh off it. So come over here, let me show you some of the seed that I already finished. So that's how it look. When you rub the flesh off the seed, that's the look you're gonna get. Zoom in a little, let them see that. Really good. Yeah, that's the look of it, right? You're not gonna remove all the flesh, but if you can, go ahead and do it. But yeah man, that's the look of it. So that is what our guinea juice look like before it blend. So right now I'm going to just throw this in the blender and blend it. Alright, so going right over to the blender with this right now. Alright, so these Guinep, they are very sweet, so I'm going to just toss 2 tablespoons of sugar to my Guinep juice. Alrighty, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cover and just blend. That is it now. I'm going to just go ahead and strain. Alrighty. So I'm going to just go right ahead now and strain. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a lime. To my juice. Yeah. So this just need to pour into a nice glass and have some nice ice cube. Alright guys, so you don't know, I have to give my final strain by using my cheesecloth. Alrighty. So did you know that Guinep is rich in vitamin C and A, and it also helps to strengthen the immune system. Alrighty, so go ahead and make your Guinep juice. This is a really good fruit. And it is Guinep time. Once more. I've been seeing a lot of Guinep because it is Guinep time. There I have it, our lovely Guinep juice. So guys, here's another little secret about the Guinep. It is high in fiber and calcium, and also an antioxidant that prevent inflammatory diseases. So Guinep is very good, guys. Go ahead, eat your Guinep, make your Guinep juice. Yeah man, so this is it now, yeah? So we're going to do the true testing of this Guinep juice. So here we go.
Yes guys, this is one more wifey drink.
Turn on your cup, let me see what it mark.
Daddy.
It should have Big Daddy, but it has Daddy on it. It's okay.
No surprise. One more great drink. Yeah man.
Very refreshing, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's Guinep juice. Very refreshing. Never expect anything less. Great. Especially for the hot time, guys. Go ahead and make up your Guinep juice. Very refreshing, very healthy. You don't have to use brown sugar. You can use granulated sugar, or you can use honey. You can use honey, or you can go ahead and use your maple syrup. It's refreshing.